Welcome to Crafting with Purpose, where we explore the fascinating world of reclaimed wood projects designed for environmentally conscious entrepreneurs. In this guide, you'll discover how to transform discarded materials into beautiful, functional products that not only enhance homes but also contribute positively to the planet. By embracing sustainable practices, you can create a business that aligns with your values and resonates with eco-aware consumers. As the demand for sustainable products continues to rise, reclaimed wood has emerged as a versatile and appealing resource for crafting. This guide will take you through various easy mini wood projects that highlight the unique beauty and character of reclaimed materials. Each project not only showcases your creativity but also emphasizes the importance of environmentally responsible practices, allowing you to build a brand that both inspires and makes a difference. Whether you're an experienced woodworker or just starting, there's something here for everyone. If you're enjoying the content and find value in our exploration of reclaimed wood projects, we'd love for you to take a moment to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you not only stay updated with our latest tutorials and insights, but also join a community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for sustainability and creativity. Your support is crucial in helping us continue to create high-quality content that inspires and educates. Additionally, if you appreciate what we do, please consider liking our videos and sharing them with friends and family. Every like and share helps us reach a wider audience, spreading the message of eco-friendly crafting and the importance of using reclaimed materials. Together, we can promote a more sustainable lifestyle and inspire others to join us on this journey. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to sharing more exciting projects with you. In an era of heightened environmental awareness, reclaimed wood has emerged as a valuable resource for entrepreneurs looking to create unique products that are both functional and sustainable. Using reclaimed wood not only reduces waste but also contributes to the conservation of forests, making it an appealing choice for eco-conscious consumers. This guide explores various mini wood projects that highlight the benefits of reclaimed wood, offering entrepreneurs opportunities to build a business rooted in sustainability. The value of reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood is sourced from old buildings, furniture, and other structures. By repurposing this material, we reduce the demand for new timber, conserving forests and minimizing deforestation. This practice also prevents waste, as reclaimed wood would otherwise end up in landfills. Entrepreneurs can leverage this narrative to attract environmentally conscious customers who appreciate the story behind the materials they purchase. Eco-friendly home decor. Crafting home decor items from reclaimed wood adds a unique charm to interiors. Products such as wall art, decorative signs, and shelves can showcase the natural beauty and character of the wood. By emphasizing the sustainable aspect of these items, entrepreneurs can appeal to consumers seeking distinctive, eco-friendly home accents that reflect their values. Functional storage solutions. Reclaimed wood can be transformed into a variety of functional storage solutions, from small organizers to shelving units. These items not only help consumers declutter their spaces, but also serve as stylish additions to home decor. By highlighting the practicality and aesthetic appeal of these products, entrepreneurs can attract customers looking to enhance their living environments sustainably. Unique gift items. Products made from reclaimed wood can serve as thoughtful gifts for various occasions, such as weddings, housewarmings, or holidays. Items like personalized coasters, picture frames, or decorative trays can be customized to add a personal touch. Marketing these products as unique, sustainable gifts can attract consumers looking for meaningful presents that support eco-friendly practices. Decorative accessories. Reclaimed wood can be used to create a range of decorative accessories, such as candle holders, vases, or seasonal decorations. These items can enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space while promoting sustainability. By focusing on the craftsmanship and uniqueness of each piece, entrepreneurs can differentiate their products in a competitive market. Eco-conscious furniture. Small furniture pieces crafted from reclaimed wood, such as side tables or stools, can appeal to consumers interested in sustainable living. These items not only provide functionality but also add character to any room. By emphasizing the environmental benefits of using reclaimed materials, entrepreneurs can attract a growing market of eco-conscious buyers. Creative art pieces. Art projects utilizing reclaimed wood allow for creativity while promoting sustainability. Artists can create sculptures, wall hangings, or mixed media pieces that highlight the beauty of repurposed materials. These artistic expressions can serve as conversation starters and inspire others to consider the environmental impact of their choices. Seasonal crafts. Crafting seasonal decorations from reclaimed wood can keep product lines fresh and appealing throughout the year. Items like holiday ornaments, autumn-themed decor, or springtime decorations can attract customers looking to celebrate various occasions sustainably. Highlighting these products as eco-friendly alternatives can enhance their marketability. Offering DIY kits that utilize reclaimed wood can engage customers interested in hands-on projects. These kits can include all necessary materials and instructions for creating simple items, encouraging creativity while promoting the value of repurposed materials. This approach can foster a sense of community among crafters who share a passion for sustainability. Marketing sustainability. When promoting reclaimed wood products, it's essential to focus on their environmental benefits. Entrepreneurs can share the story behind the wood, its transformation, and the positive impact of using reclaimed materials. Highlighting these aspects in marketing materials can help consumers appreciate the value of their purchases and make informed decisions. Building an online presence. Establishing an online store allows entrepreneurs to reach a broader audience. High-quality images, engaging descriptions, and a user-friendly interface can enhance the shopping experience. By emphasizing the eco-friendly attributes of reclaimed wood products, businesses can attract environmentally aware customers seeking sustainable options. Community engagement. Engaging with local communities through workshops or events centered around reclaimed wood projects can help build brand loyalty. These interactions foster a deeper appreciation for sustainable practices and create opportunities for consumers to learn more about the benefits of using reclaimed materials. Collaborations for impact. Partnering with local artisans, businesses, or environmental organizations focused on sustainability can enhance reach and impact. Collaborative projects can amplify the message of eco-friendliness and attract a community dedicated to responsible practices, ultimately benefiting all parties involved. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found inspiration in our exploration of reclaimed wood projects. Your engagement means the world to us. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest tutorials, tips, and creative ideas that promote sustainability and craftsmanship. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, as this helps us reach more viewers who are passionate about eco-friendly practices. Sharing our videos with friends, family, and fellow crafters can also make a big difference in spreading the message of sustainable living. Together, we can inspire a community that values creativity and environmental responsibility. Thank you once again for being a part of our journey, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future.